Hello, my name is Kirsten Bumpus, and this is my light reaction flowchart. So to begin with, there's light reaction, and I added a few words in. I split it up between light dependent and light independent. I'll start with the light dependent, which went down to the thylakoid membrane, which is where most light dependent reactions occurred. And then it went down to photosystem 2, cytochrome B6F complex, photosystem 1, and ATP synthase. And then going back to photosystem 2, I went down to plastochionin and then chlorophyll. And then down from chlorophyll is reaction center of chlorophyll, down to photon of light, then to electron, and then down to NADP. Next, I have photosystem 1, and below it, I have plastocyanin. And then next I had ATP synthase, which went down to ATP, and then from there it split off to phosphate and ADP. Now I went back up to light independent, which I have stroma, which is where most light independent reactions occur, and then down to photon of light, CO2, which is carbon dioxide, H2O for water. And I wasn't able to connect these, but glucose and oxygen are both made from carbon dioxide, photon of light, and water all made together. Right? And my next flow chart is the Calvin cycle, where I have split it off between stroma and glycerolhide 3-phosphate, which is right there. And then from stroma, I split it off to NADP, H, and ATP. And then from NADP, H, I went to ferredoxin NADP reductase. And then down from there, I had ferredoxin. Then from ATP, I had thylakoid space, and then hydrogen. And from thylakoid space, I had photosystem 2, and oxygen evolving complex. Then back up to glycerolhide 3-phosphate, I had ribulose biphosphate and RUBP carboxylase and oxygenase. And then from oxygenase, I had 3 of the phosphoglycerate. So yeah, that's mine.